Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. Today is a video review of my completed diamond painting Christmas tree.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. How often has the Christmas tree afforded me the greatest glee? Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh Christmas tree, thy candles shine so brightly.
As always, let's start with the specifications of the kit. It is a full square diamond painting purchased from AliExpress. The brand's name is Zhui Star. The kit cost $30 and it was purchased in 2017. Unfortunately, I cannot leave a link because on the one hand it is no longer available, and on the other hand I strongly do not recommend buying any kit from Zhui Star. I will explain why later. The design size is 80 by 50 centimeters. The canvas material is a standard paper cloth. Adhesive is double-sided tape, and the kit contained 39 colors. So I would like to start with positive things about this kit. There are only two. Adhesive was sticky, and if you look at this picture from far away, it looks not bad at all. As you can see, I replaced two colors with sparklers, the red ones. See, round sparklers in a square diamond painting, yes. They are the same size as the square drills, 2.5 millimeters. They are made specifically for square drill diamond paintings, and I also used red AB diamonds next to sparklers. And to tell you the truth, the only time I really enjoyed working on this picture was when I was using these two colors, the ones that I replaced, AB and sparklers. On that, my positive experience with this kit ends. I had been diamond painting this kit for 4 months. I never diamond painted a picture that long, and it was the worst diamond painting experience I have ever had. As I said before, I do not recommend this brand or the seller, Zhui Star. It is the most horrible brand ever. I have been diamond painting for 3 years and completed very many kits. I had bad ones, I had good ones, but only kits from Zhui Stars were horrible. I diamond painted a kit from this company before, and I had numerous problems with it. Here's one that I completed, I think in 2017 or in 2018. I had numerous problems with that. I will leave a link in the description box below. I make a very detailed review and I tell there about all the issues I had. In any case, when I was diamond painting the other kit, the fall one, I was hoping it was actually an exception to the rule that this kit would be better. Oh well, I was wrong. This kit is even worse than the previous one. So, in short, every flaw that the diamond painting kit could have was in this kit. It started with unpackaging, unboxing. One of the colors was missing, and it was misplaced with a different number. So, on top of what I paid for this kit, I had to order a right color of drills. 90% of the drills were of a very low quality, just like this. More than that, there were not only damaged ones, but also almost all the drills except of one color had plastic extensions on all the sides, and of course it made them bigger than a square on the canvas that caused the rows not to have enough space to insert the required amount of squares. It also caused the drills to pop up. Even rolling pin could not fix it. Not sure if you can see on the screen, but 70% of this picture has popping up drills. More than that, those drills that popped up started to fall off, and the only thing that helped me keep them in place was varnish, this one. Liquitex. I'm pretty sure you see somewhat glossy finish. That's because I sealed it with this Liquitex. Thank you, Grace from GB Multis, for recommending it. So I began to seal every segment that I diamond painted with this varnish. There were also a lot of air bubbles on the adhesive, so I had to use a razor to let the air go. It is crazy, but together with popping up drills, there is also an issue of gapping wherever the black drills were used. Have you ever seen a picture that has both popping up drills and gapping at the same time? Well, Zhui Star managed to combine two things that do not even go together. The whole picture, except of the Christmas tree, has popping up drills. The Christmas tree does not have popping because, first of all, the black drills are smaller, and second of all, since I was using the replaced drills, these sparklers and AB diamonds, they are of a correct size. They are from a different kit, not even from the kit. I bought them separately from Tina, and they are of a perfect size, they are of a good quality. That is why, of course, they fit perfectly. And in the end, I ran out of two colors. I ran out of one color when only 45% of the kit was completed, and not even the half, and the other color was gone when 90% of the picture was done. In the end, it looks okay from far away, but when you come close, you can see all the issues clearly. Low quality, inaccurately placed drills that pop up, gapping, and etc. For instance, look at this picture. If you look at it close by, you see carefully placed, beautifully faceted individual drills. Of course, it looks pixelated when close by, but at the same time, you'll see a very carefully done job. You look at it from far away, and it looks very beautiful. You see the whole picture. But here, instead of beautifully placed drills and careful work, you see only damaged drills, inaccuracy, and really very poor work. The kit is a complete waste of time and money. The quality of the kit is so low that I feel ashamed to give it to somebody as a gift. I would never buy from this brand or take it for free. even if I am offered. My time is worth so much more. And to tell you the truth, the kit that is 80 by 50 could have looked way less pixelated than this one. Look at this kit. This is 50 by 70 centimeters. Looks way better, right? And this one is even smaller, 50 by 40 centimeters. And there are a lot of small objects. Looks perfect, not pixelated at all. And this one looks okay for 80 by 50 centimeters. Not the detailization is not as great, as not as I would expect it. This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and my advice, do not buy from this brand. Zhui Star, the worst brand ever. Thank you, and see you soon.